Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. Well, we've been going back and forth and up on a roller coaster and so forth with DACA. So let me give you the update and where it stands today. Now, by the time you watch this video, perhaps 10 minutes from now, it will change. But as of right now, this moment, here's the current standing. So, of course, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Trump could not simply stop DACA the way he tried to. They used the terms it was arbitrary and capricious, which means that there was no valid basis for doing it. It wasn't reasoned out. They didn't look at the ramifications of stopping it. They didn't look at the reliance of the people who were on it. They didn't look at the policy of why it was started in the first place. Essentially, the Supreme Court decision made clear you can't just snap your fingers and stop something because you want to. So that was a good decision. It doesn't mean he will not try again. But politically speaking, he may not try because it will create an uproar if he tries to stop it again, at least at the present time. So there was the issue then after the denial of his attempt to stop DACA, whether or not new DACA petitions can go forward. And lawsuits went forward. And then in the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, United States District Judge there ruled that, in fact, USCIS must start accepting DACA applications. And on a side note, believe it or not, after the Supreme Court of the United States issued a decision saying that Trump could not end DACA, there was some official, I think it was the head official at USCIS, said that there's no force of law in that decision. It was beyond belief what you were reading that some USCIS official said. But anyways, um, I regress. The current state is that the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals ordered that USCIS is to accept new DACA applications, and it wasn't limited to the Fourth Circuit. It essentially ordered that to happen, and it didn't specifically say it was nationwide, but then again, it didn't say it wasn't. So, in my opinion, if you're going to qualify for DACA at the present time, you should get it filed yesterday. Get it filed right away, because if Trump decides tomorrow or 5 minutes from now to do something to try to revoke it again, generally, if something's already in the pipeline, it will not affect that. So if you get it in before they try to revoke it again, you're probably going to be in and probably going to be safe. And it's a good bet that you'll get a good 2 years of nice work permit, even if it gets revoked again or attempts to get revoked again. So the idea here is to get it filed right away, even if you're not within the jurisdiction of the Fourth Circuit. Now, one of the issues, though, is a lot of people are calling my office and they're saying, "Oh, can I file DACA now? I came in a few years ago." Well, the requirements of DACA itself has not changed. You still need to qualify by when you came in and how long you've been here and so forth. Those requirements have not changed. So if you didn't qualify when DACA originally was here, you're not going to qualify now. But if you did qualify and you missed the cutoff and they wouldn't accept the applications, then you do still qualify and it's time to get it filed. So I can't stress it enough. Get it done, get it filed, and get it in right away. Okay, if you like the video, click like, subscribe. More on the coming videos. Thank you.